Hey guys, welcome back. Today in day 3, part 1, we will talk about strings and characters and string literals actually, and initializing an empty string and string mutability. Yeah, let's start from one playground. So here I made a playground. You will know that you will go file, new, and the playground, then you can place it, and you can choose blank, and then you can make it. I already did that, and I have my code here. So let's go to our documents, and then we will go back to playground. So string and characters from swift.org documents in string and character section. So will tell us that a string is a series of characters, so such as hello world. So you will see hello, H-E-L-L-O. All of these are one character, and the series of these make our string. Later you will see that how we can reach them out. And only here about the other, we will go over them, don't worry. But for this one, I just here just reminds you that Swift strings type is bridged with foundation NS string classes. So you know that NS string class is from Objective C, so we make a bridge, and we can use a string NS string function here without even casting. So yeah, let's go for first subject, a string literal. So how we can make a string? First of all, we will go one single line. So it's pretty easy. For sure, double quotation started and double quotation ended. And here you go. And let's me go to playground, and here you will see that this is how we make one single line. But if you're looking for multi-line, yeah, here you go. It's as easy as the single line. You just instead of one, you will put three double quotation marks. And but you will go to the next line and start your text. And at the end of your text, you will go again to next line and put your quotation. It should be in this format. Even this space should be there. Okay, so it is how it is, and you will see this next line and this next line here will be ignored, so these two will be the same. So here you are, you will see that uh, this one, when I run it out, you will see that these two are exactly the same. This one is a single line literal, and this is multi-line, but this next line and this next line have been ignored. Okay, so other trick that you need to know is that backslash. Sometimes you know that in this text this gonna be one next line, and it goes to our text. If you don't, we want to make ignore this, and this is for us is one line, but it's just in our editor we use it as like this to be more readable. So we use one backslash here, only one backslash gonna fix this. So let's go to our playground, and here you will see we placed one backslash, so now these two will be one line. Let's try it out. Yeah, here you go, you will see these is gonna be one line, so no new line gonna be here. And yes, so line breaks, and one blank line gonna be assumed as a new line. Here you are. And the other part, which is very important, is spaces or white space before closing quotation marks. So here you are, there is a four space. All these four space will be ignored, and this one only will be appear in our text. So let's check this out. And you will see that this one coming here. Let me just I want just for my curiosity, I put one A here and remove one of this, and let's see what will happen. Yeah, I got error. So multi-line string literal closing determinant must be on a new line. So it could be on a new line, this could be a space there, but couldn't be any character. So here you are, I make it 3, so now you will see that yeah, this let's see, this string. Yeah, didn't show it. I run this one. Okay, here you are. You will see now there is only one space, because this space not repeated on all of this. So just picked up of actually 3 space. Yeah, and one of them, and you will see these guys have one extra space, which is this one. If I add that one, then let me add 2. I want to try this and get, yeah, again we got error because these supposed to be space. Okay, so we learned that we need to use space. Here it should be, these space should be more than, couldn't be less. So here you see now there is no space here, and here we have this space here. So I just spoke a lot about this because I want you to be careful about this. It's very useful and sometimes gonna be tricky. Okay, special characters in string literals. So in string literals we have two kind of special characters. We have the escape special characters, which start with backslash. So backslash 0, backslash t, which is horizontal tab, backslash n, which is line feed, backslash r, which is carriage return, double quotation mark, and backslash and single quotation marks, which will be one double quotation mark in our text. And also we have arbitrary Unicode scalar value, which format of them is backslash u and then a number. So let's go over this, and now for this I'm gonna explain for you a little bit more. So here you will see that I run until here, and oh sorry, here I run this, and you will see that I have yeah, this is no sitting here, actually nothing sit here. I have only one space here and one space here, so it's kind of as it's no character. This is backslash, this one double backslash, and this is horizontal tab, and line feed slash backslash n, and backslash r, new line, return actually carriage, backslash quotation, which will be quotation, and single quotation mark, double quotation and single. Okay, so what about the Unicode ones? Here you will see it's pretty easy. Just we use backslash u, and then between curly bracket we put the number. So we know $sign is 24, 24 actually, because it's hexadecimal number. Is hex number, and this is heart. This is another kind of heart, and this one is something I pull out from Tibetan sign, which I pulled out from website that give us this character. So I just Google it, and then this is one I found, and here you will see different characters. You just need to put this, for example, 09FA. If I put what's the name of this? Bengali. Yeah, so 09FA. 09FA. Here you are. You will see we have this character. So yeah, these are yeah, this is I put this link in a comment below, so you can Google it and you can find tons of website that give you this information. So these are Unicode Scholar values, which going to be very useful in your coding. Sometimes save a lots of time for you. Okay, so and at the end, if you want to, yeah, you may say, okay, I want to use three double quotation. Okay, don't worry. No, just put one backslash three double quotation, or just put one backslash one double quotation, one backslash. It's these two both will be the same. Yeah, here you are. Okay, so another one is initializing an empty string. Um, that's it's pretty easy. Just we put two double quotation without any space, or we can put initializer string with just two parentheses open and close, no input parameter. And yeah, let's check it out. And also we have is empty method for checking out this to make sure it's empty or not. And here you are, you will see both are empty. This is string initializer or this one. Usually we use this one. And yeah, also if you want to see which other function you have available, you just can put one dot here, then you can count it. You can custom mirror hash value. You can get hash value of this string. Yeah, let me try this hash value later for you. Just for now I'll put this as empty. Also I want to print. I say yeah, print empty string dot hash value. And when you run this, it give you a value. This is hash value for actually empty character, empty string. If I put for example D here, you will see hash value will change. This hash value is a value that's later I'll show you how useful gonna be for you for when you want to compare to string or two things you want to make sure something are comparable. You need to make sure they have hash value. And the last part, the last subject for this part is string mutability, which is that means that if we can change a string or not. Yes, we can change if we put var in, make it as a variable. We cannot if we make it as a constant with let. So here you are, you will see I just made this one comment because we will get error here because it's constant, so we cannot change it. Yeah, here you are. And so if we make this variable, then it will be mutable and it will work without any error. Yeah, let me make this let because it's show you. That's it for today. Actually, for this part, we have three more part about the string and characters. And for now, if you like this video, please make sure thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And any question, please ask in comment. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a good one. Bye bye.